If you come from a Java background, then you must be familiar with JUnit, which is a unit testing framework. Unit test, which is also known as PyUnit, is the Python implementation of JUnit. Now, you must be asking yourself, why do I need unit test? Well, unit tests provide a way for you to automate your test. For example, it provides sharing of setup and shutdown code for test. It provides the ability to group test cases into test suite. It provides assert methods. And most importantly, it provides reporting for each test run. How do you create a unit test? First, you need to create a test case by creating a class that inherits from the unit test case class. Then, you add test fixtures in your test case. A test fixture is a method to perform the preparation or the cleanup steps of your test. Finally, you need to run your test case using a test runner. The role of the test runner is to execute the test and provide the report. If you are new to unit testing, all this must sound like some alien dialect to you. Next, I'm going to show you how a test case is structured.